Hi everyone, this is the Cool Nerd 1, and I will be doing an unboxing of the Ezrun series 1/10 1/12 scale brushless speed controller, and this is ESC, and this is the version 2.0. So yeah, it was about $42 in free shipping on hobbyparts.com, and this is actually a very good 60 amp ESC. So yeah, I already took the shrink wrap off, stuff like that, and also gonna cut that little seal off. Sorry, I couldn't wait. I had to open it. So yeah, when you open it up, it comes like this with the most important part, the ESC. And what I like about this is it's got a really nice dust-proof, clear case on the bottom to hold all electronics in. It's got a big, nice, cool-looking blue heatsink, and then a nice little fan on top. But the bad thing about the fan, sorry about the autofocus, is that you have to rewire it for 3S, which I'll be using, and I'll do next. One of my next reviews will be on that. So yeah, put that down. Next, take that out. There will be some shrink wrap for soldering, the bolt connectors or banana connectors, female, for the for here on the ESC, and there'll also be double-sided tape to stick that and the switch on, and there's that. Also, some zip ties. There's another one here somewhere. The instruction manual, get into that in a sec. Another zip tie. And what I like about this are actually two things. Try and get it out there. Some really nice stickers. Man, these are nice. Can't wait to put them on my body. Yeah. And also another thing I like is a neat warranty card. If it ever breaks, but just remember, you can't open it up, change any electronics or anything, or the warranty will be totally messed up. Okay, so yeah. In the next couple of videos, I'll have the review of this and that, my Drift Star. It's not really Drift Star anymore. You can see the on-road tires. And also there'll be, if you want to see an uninstalling and reinstalling video of how to get a brushless motor in there, that'll be next couple videos. And so yeah, just stay tuned. There'll be links somewhere here, there, I don't know. And yeah, just click on those, and see you soon. Bye.